Hey everybody, this is Cash Mojo. Today we're going to go over 10 apps to download and get paid and make money online for 2022. Be sure to stick around until number 1 because this app is one of the most profitable ways to make money. Hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our videos. Now let's get started. Making money online is a dream for many people, and it's not as hard as you may think. In this video, we will discuss 10 apps that can help you make money from the comfort of your home. These apps are easy to use and can help you generate a steady stream of income. So let's dive right in because right now I'm going to reveal 10 apps to download and get you paid. Number 10, Blackout Bingo. Looking for fun and easy way to make some extra money? What about winning prizes? Blackout Bingo is a new game that offers both. Blackout Bingo is a game where players buy cards and try to cover all of the numbers on the card. The first person to cover all of their numbers wins the jackpot. Blackout Bingo is a great way to make some extra money because it is simple to play and you can win big. It's also similar to traditional bingo, but the key difference is Blackout Bingo is played online, so you can win prizes from anywhere in the world. Blackout Bingo offers a variety of different prizes, so you're sure to find one that you'll love. Plus, you can play Blackout Bingo anywhere at home, at work, or on the go. So if bingo is something you're passionate about, start playing Blackout Bingo today. Number 9, Opinion Outpost. There are many ways to make money online, and Opinion Outpost is one of them. As the name suggests, Opinion Outpost allows you to earn money by sharing your opinions on various topics and products. You can sign up for free, and then you'll start receiving surveys to complete. Each survey pays a certain amount of money, and you can cash out once you've reached the minimum threshold. Payments are made via PayPal, so you'll need to have an account in order to receive your earnings. Opinion Outpost is a legitimate way to make money online, and it's a great option if you're looking for something that is relatively easy to do. Plus, you can work at your own pace and cash out whenever you want. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, Opinion Outpost is definitely worth checking out. Number 8, Robinhood. Robinhood is an investing app that allows users to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency without paying any commission fees. In other words, Robinhood makes it easy and affordable for anyone to start investing in the stock market. Additionally, Robinhood offers a number of features that makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. For example, Robinhood's instant deposit feature allows users to instantly access funds from deposited checks, which is convenient for those who want to quickly invest in time-sensitive opportunities. Robinhood also has a gold level membership that gives users access to extended hours trading, as well as an additional research tools and customer support. Overall, Robinhood is a great option for those who are looking to get started with the world of investing. Number 7, Grab Points. Have you ever considered making money by using your phone? Well, with Grab Points, it is now possible. Grab Points is a phone app that allows users to earn points by completing various activities, such as watching videos, taking surveys, and more. After earning points, you can then redeem them for gift cards or cash via PayPal. So how does it work? First, you will need to download the Grab Points app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have registered for that account, you can start completing activities to earn points. Each activities will have a specific point value, and you can check your progress towards redemption in the My Points section of the app. When you have enough points, you can redeem them for a gift card or cash out through PayPal. So if you like this one, download Grab Points today and start earning. Number 6, OfferUp. OfferUp is a great way to make some extra money. You can sell just about anything on the site, and there are millions of buyers looking for good deals. The key to success on OfferUp is to take great pictures of your items and to write detailed, accurate descriptions. You should also be responsive to messages from potential buyers. If you can provide a good customer experience, you're likely to get repeat business. And once you've built up a positive reputation, you'll find that more and more buyers are willing to pay top dollar for your items. The number one takeaway here is making money on OfferUp is easy if you take great pictures and write detailed, accurate descriptions. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, OfferUp is definitely worth checking out. Number 5, eBay dropshipping. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money or even start a full-fledged business, selling on eBay can be a great option. And with the eBay app, it's easier than ever to get started. Dropshipping is a popular way to sell on eBay, and with a good reason. It's relatively low risk and low cost, and you don't have to worry about holding inventory or shipping orders yourself. You can find dropship suppliers for just about any type of product, from cosmetics to electronics. To get started selling on eBay, all you need is an app and a few minutes to set up your account. Then, you can start listing products and making sales. With a little effort, you could be generating a nice income in no time. Number 4, Acorns. The Acorns app is a great way to invest your spare change. Acorns round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference into a portfolio of ETFs. You can choose from a variety of risk levels, from aggressive to conservative. Acorns also offer found money, which is a percentage back from the select brands that are deposited into your account. And there is no minimum balance required to maintain your account. Best of all, you can withdraw your money at any time without penalty. So if you're looking for a great, simple, and easy way to start investing, the Acorns app is a great option. Number 3, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a great way to sell items quickly and easily. All you need to do is post a photo of the item you're selling, along with a brief description and price. Then, potential buyers can message you if they're interested. Once you've agreed on the price, you can arrange to meet up and exchange the items for cash. Facebook Marketplace is particularly convenient because it's easy to reach a large number of people with just a few clicks. Plus, there's no need to worry about setting up a separate online store or shipping items to buyers. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to sell items, the Facebook Marketplace is definitely worth checking out. Number 2, Mercari. Have you ever considered selling on Mercari? Mercari is a popular online marketplace where people can buy and sell new and used items. It's a great way to declutter your home and earn some extra cash. Sellers can list items in just a few clicks, and there are no listing fees. Plus, Mercari provides free shipping labels for all orders. So what are you waiting for? Here's everything you need to know about selling on Mercari. To get started, create a seller account on Mercari.com or download the Mercari app. Then, take some photos of the items you want to sell and write brief descriptions. When you're ready to list an item, simply choose a category, set a price, and add shipping details. Once your listing is live, buyers can purchase your items and leave ratings and reviews. Items typically ship within 1 to 2 days of purchase, and sellers receive payments via PayPal within 2 to 3 days of shipment. Ready to start selling on Mercari? Sign up today and start earning extra cash. Before we get to number 1, go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe, as well as smashing that like button if you haven't already. Also, I'd like to invite you to a free live training that'll teach you the number 1 way to make passive income on YouTube. You can actually start a YouTube channel without having to show your face or even record videos. You can then automate the entire process and scale pretty quickly. So if you're serious about starting your first YouTube channel, click the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Number 1, you guessed it, YouTube. If you have any doubt that YouTube might be oversaturated or that making a living off YouTube is unrealistic, then I'm here to tell you none of that could be further from the truth. Making money on YouTube is now more possible than ever as it evolves over the years and is a great way to monetize your passion for creating videos. While it takes some time and effort to build up a large following, once you have established yourself, there are several ways to make money. One popular method is through advertising revenue. You can sign up for Google AdSense, which will allow you to place ads on your videos. When viewers click on the ads, you will earn money. Another way to make money is through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. You can find companies that are willing to sponsor your videos, or you can include links to products and services in your video descriptions. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Finally, you can also sell products and services directly through your YouTube channel. This can be an effective way to generate revenue if you have a loyal following. Making money on YouTube is a great way to earn some extra cash, but it takes some time and effort to get started. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Number 1, find your niche. There are millions of people making money on YouTube, so it's important to find a niche where you can stand out in. Whether it's makeup tutorials, vlogs, or gaming videos, find something that you're passionate about and that you know you can produce quality content for. Number 2, create engaging videos. The key to successful YouTube videos is engagement. Keep your viewers coming back for more by creating content that is interesting, informative, and entertaining. Number 3, optimize your videos for SEO. In order to get your videos seen by as many people as possible, make sure to optimize them for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and include closed captions for those who are hearing impaired. Number 4, promote your channel. Once you've had a few videos up, start promoting your channel on social media and other online platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and start building up a following. Number 5, partner with brands. Once you build up a loyal following, Once you build up a loyal following, you can start partnering with brands and companies that are looking to reach your audience. You can do this by including sponsored videos or product placements in your videos. With some hard work and dedication, making money on YouTube is definitely possible. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online part 2, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.